Hi, welcome to neoclipse screencast. My name is Radha Krishna. I'm a software developer in Java and I just work in my free time on neoclipse. Here I have added few features to neoclipse and those features I would like to explain. Some of the features are like adding new connections here and where you can add new connections, trying to type like test connection and then try to specify the location of the database where you have your new DB. Let us say I have created here, and you can create it will create a fresh if you don't have, but and if you have anything, then you can choose the folder that contains the graph DB, and you can choose the auto connect, and you can choose one more option, allow store upgrade, which will be a good feature when you would like to upgrade to a new uh, version of Neo4j. And right now these username and passwords are not working because I have not added support for that, and moreover it does not support any remote databases. Right now I'm working on it, and let us say it is done, and then if you say it has come up with some connection, and then where you can add some node. It was an existing feature like a like that. I have a already working graph which I would like to explain. I have a cipher query. This is a existing graph that I was working on. Let us just minimize this. Yeah, and I have a cipher query. I would like to show also the cipher editor that I have created based on this graph, and let me get the graph query. Yeah, and you can press alt F5 or sorry, alt enter, or this execute button to get the result, and here you get the result, the cipher results. And the other features are you can export the data as a CSV. If you click, it will directly say you have exported to a CSV, and the location of the file will be present, and JSON as well as XML, and the data will look in some XML format. And the second feature is and the third feature is you can right click on it and you can export the entire graph into an XML, or you can export the entire graph into a JSON. That is one of the feature that I have also added. And moreover, if you would like to increase or decrease the graph depth, you can find one more attribute here, one more setting here, maximum number of nodes, which you can add whatever number you want, 10, 20, 210, whatever. And then right now it is not that much deep graph, so it does not affect how much the big numbers. So let us consider only one, and then we'll see. And let me stop and then start it. Yep, I think that feature is not working. Maybe some bug is there. I will fix it sometime soon. Yeah, that's it. Moreover, you can double click on it, and you can close the graph. You can double click on it to open the graph, and like that. You cannot double click on it to open another graph if any existing connection is open. And you can also have some cool features where you can edit the connection, and you can specify these things. You can edit the existing connection as well as modify something. uh, yep, thanks a lot.